Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna open up some treasure booster boxes here. We're gonna open up 4 actually. These 4 right here. We do have a shot of getting, 4 packs in here. We're from OPO01 all the way to OPO05. So let's open up these 4 and see what we get. Get the little promo. And we got 1 OPO1, a 3, a 4, and a 5. I'm just gonna open up all these and then open everything in one shot. There we go. I'm gonna have a bunch of these promo cards. Oh, we got another OPO1, OPO3, OPO4, and a 5. I just picked up actually these right here, these OPO1s, me and my wife. Let's see what we got here. Oh, another 5. Another promo. Oh, we got a 2 now. OPO02. Another OPO3 and another OPO4. And then the last box, we got oops, sorry about that. More Luffy, another OPO1, a 3, 5. Sorry, a 4 and a 5. Alright, let's get to cracking these babies open. I'm gonna go from the 5. Get this too. So we're gonna start from 5 and then work our way down. So see what we got here. Any leaders? Nope, no leaders. Someone did mention that I did not censor these in the last video, so I'll try my best to center these in the video. Oh, did we get anything? Oh, look at that. Kaido. Secret rare. Look at that. First hit on the first box. That's a good one. Let's leave him up. And then at the end of the video, I'll show all the hits we got. Boom. That's a sick card. Alright. Let's go to the next 05. Let's see if we got any leaders. Oh, we got a leader. Not even gonna look at those. What we got? Well, as you can see, we didn't really get anything. Alright, let's open up this next one. And I know some people complain about using scissors, but I actually like using it. Oh, we got another leader. Let's see who we got. Monkey D. Luffy. Nothing else. Think we might have burned up our first luck. I mean, all of our luck here on that secret rare. Alright, put that there. Alright, oh, let me check. Nothing. Alright, we might have something. Oh, did we get anything? Oh, super rare. The kid. Alright, let's leave him up. Alright, let's move on to the 04s. OPO 04. I so far have not got any hits on any OPO 04 blister packs and loose packs. Oh, I cheated a little bit. I see something there. So let's see what we got. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, look at that. We got a Monkey D. Luffy. Super rare. Yeah, let's leave him up. Alright, guys. Yep, this would be the first hit actually on OPO 04 here. We'll just put these over here. And put these away. Any leaders? No leaders? Okay. See if we get anything. Alright, let's see. Oh, we got Kaido. Super rare. Another hit. So two hits, OPO 04. Which ironically, I've opened probably 10 of these packs and I've only gotten leaders. Oh, we got a leader. Oh, that's actually pretty good. That's pretty cool. Alright. Alright, last OPO 04 here. And another leader. Okay, so 2 leaders. Rebecca. All right, our single. Oh, no, actually, we gotta go to 3. Jumping ahead of myself there. Pillars of Strength. Did we have a leader? Yeah, we did. Oh, Ace. So, Ace. No leaders? Okay. See what we got here. Oh, see if we got anything. Oh, you got a super rare. Charlotte, look at that. And a dot card. Oh, it's pretty neat. Also, I don't know if any of these packs I'll get the alternator. I actually have not looked at the set list for anyone from OPO01 to OPO05, so I don't know which one is the alt arts, but I will try to edit in the pricing. Here's the Don card. Put on liters. Let's see what we got. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, another super rare. Oh, we got Marco. Sick. Yeah, because the like I was saying, these the alt art, the current alt arts all have that star that shows which ones are the alternates. I think we got a leader. Nope. Don card. No, teach and oh, another super rare. Nice. Oh, pretty cool. All right, this will actually be my first OPO02. Let's see what we got here. And do we have a hit? Oh, we might have something. Here's a Don card. Oh, do we have anything? Another super rare. Oh, that's sick. Look at that. All right, now we are down to our last set of packs here. OPO01. Alright, let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something really good, because I have yet to open these OP01 and get something. Granted, I've only opened one pack, so the Don and no leader. Okay, see if we get anything. And what do we get? Oh, another super rare. The kid. I think we got one earlier, no? Or maybe that was a leader. I think we might have gotten a version of this guy. Oh, so first super rare of the 01. All right, we got just 2 more packs And the OPO01. Any leaders? No leaders. You're done. Throw that to the side. Oh, Jinbei. And another super rare. Crocodile. Alright. Alright, in our last pack of OPO01. Do we have a leader? Did our luck run out? And, oh, 3 for 3 for no leaders. Alright, let's see. And we didn't get nothing. Well, I guess till next time. Still searching for the manga. Haven't pulled any yet. We got all these hits. Right? So if we go over them, it's already in chronological. So we got Crocodile here. Super rare. The Kid. Barcelino. Izzo. Or ISO. I always forget. Marco. This is actually really nice. Charlotte. Kaido. Sorry, what's this light on top? Luffy. Oh, here's the other kid that I was talking about. And this is probably the best pull. But we'll double check. It's also pretty sick. Alright guys, until next time.